like it a lot.
Okay, so I've just managed to take all of these rings out of here. They're all going to need a bit of cleaning up. They're pretty rusty, loads of pits in them, so we're going to have to try and clean all those up. And now I'm going to try to get all of this off and see if we can just replace this with some nice green felt. Right, so I've got some of this braze now, what they call it, braze, and I'm going to get this stuck on the door somehow. Okay, so next I'm going to put these on. This is going to be fun. All right, so I've given this a few coats now, French polish, but I think actually I really love this. I'm going to be doing this more on some projects because it really is a fantastic finish. I've got a couple more coats to put on there, but I think this is coming out really nice. I've basically here as well, there were some really quite nasty big old screws in here. I got them out, cleaned them up, put them back, but they still looked a bit nasty. So what I've done is I've just put some dowels in, countersunk them in a little bit deeper, put some dowels in. So, and they're walnut as well. Not quite the same colour, but I think that just looks so much better than, you know, what was in there before. It just matches a little bit more. You know, and obviously it's got the nice old effect, which I think is pretty cool. You know, so still got all that to it. But I think this is looking pretty nice with this finish on it. Look at that. I mean, that is absolutely awesome. Right, I'm going to start putting this back together. I've got the door here. That's the back of the door. So we need to start fitting all these bits back on, which you can see. We took them all off, cleaned those all up. That's looking quite nice. So we can get all those back on here now. This has had quite a few coats. As you can see, it's sort of beginning to get a bit of a shine now. So I think, you know, a couple more coats and I think that's fine. Again, this is the back of the door. We'll concentrate a little bit more on the front. I have put a couple of coats of French polish on the back here, but it's not going to need massive amounts because we're never going to see that anyway. So, looking good, Billy Ray. Hey! Now I sourced these coins as well and got these in from France. Actually, they're not coins, they're tokens. And the guy that made this machine is a guy called Pierre, is it Pierre? Pierre Bousseau, I think that's how you say it. His name's on the token, if you can see that. It's either Bousseau or Booze, something like that. I think it's Bousseau. So what a find. Got two rare tokens for this Allwin. Now these were probably in, you know, a lot of his machines, but these are going to be a perfect fit for our Deluxe Allwin. We have one lock with 2 new keys. Happy days! Can't wait. Get this in there now, and we can hopefully finish this off. Bet it hasn't done that in a number of years. Right, we'd best see if this baby works. Ho, there's me ball bearing. Wish me luck. Ah. More money. Another go. Oh, come on. Win! Yes! Right, so I now should be able to collect my tokens. Whoa! Winner, winner, chicken dinner. And I got my ball back.